Test, 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 test. Oh. Na, 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 na. Sabi ko pinagdaanan at tinulungan ulit. Kasi napakaikli lang din naman ng buhay. Ang bilis na sandali. Yeah. Okay, and now we're fucking back. Ano nagawa mo sa... Nagawa tayo ng container spray. Dalawa na. Yan. Yan, dalawa naman. Alright. All goods. Teka, baba ko pala muna yung anong bomba. Repair lang ulit natin. Hindi ko pala nababa. Butay na. Kailangan nga pala i-like. Yan. I-accept pa nga. Spray, 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 spray! What the fuck? Grabe, ubos na yung ano ko dun. Hindi pa rin buo gawa. Tapon ka na, boy. Alright, so saan naman tayo mag-zoom next? Here. We're going here. Wait, saan ba magandang daanan? Dito. Bababa dito. Papunta dito. Patungo dito. Or dito. Papunta dito. Papunta dito. Pababa dito. Dito na lang tayo kasi merong ano eh. May mga gawa na ng tao eh. Ng mga player I mean. Doon. Tama ba si? Tama si. Parang palapat na tayo.
Weapons restrictions lifted.
Ano laman mo? May laman ka ba? Wala naman. Tandaan, sasabog to. Uy, gago! Putang ina, konting bangga lang yun, puputok agad siya. Kundi ba yung gago? Tangina mo. Nag-stress ako ah. Pero tayo na, hindi ko na-repair yan.
Keep on keeping on. Weapons restrictions lifted.
One last try ng pagmumotor. Tapos, dahan-dahan lang. Putong inong yun! Sobrang ingat ko na nga eh. Tang inang lalakad talaga tayo.
Weapons restrictions lifted.
Ayusin ko nga yung cargo ko. Babaler ako eh.
That's a close one.
Putang ina ni kinakadapa mo, puta ka. Saan ka nadadapa? What the fuck? May mga bato tuloy siguro sa ilalim ng ano. Putang na.
Steady.
Lagi na dato pa ang buta. Ikatapult natin itong bomba. Teka, tama ba? Loob naman. Pasok ba? Pasok ba? Puso konti dito. Putang ina, sumobra naman. Okay. Asan yung ano? Andito ba? Tama naman ba? Yan natin. Oh, pugago. Ang ina naman. Dalihan mo, Sam. Tumayo ka na. Arte. Nag-aalala ako sa package natin. Ikaw, nag-i-inarte ka pa. Hindi ba dapat... Tayo ka niyan? Kaya.
About ready to drop.
Kunti na lang, huwag ka na mag-inarte, Sam. Kumain ka ng energy drink. Ayos. Ba't dito hindi masyado nag-i-stone? marksman. Ito na yung putang ng bomba mo, pahirap. Ilang bomba yan, pahirap masyado.
Much appreciated, friend. Thanks to you, we can finally move ahead with the dig. I swear, this place is
Lutang,
bad
alam mo,
enough without
pahirap
having
ka.
to worry about getting asphyxiated. Or did you just get lucky? It's clear you and the landscape got pretty well acquainted. You want to be more careful. You can set up the chiral network while I work.
Dami pa. Meron pang 3. Oxygen mask? Para saan yun? Meron pa dito.
Anyway, as it turns out, Sam Bridges, I have a favor to ask. A local porter was on his way here with something very valuable, but dropped it en route. It's a 200-million-year-old ammonite, which looks, he says, almost as if it were still alive. He apparently stumbled across it in a boulder field, which had previously been hidden beneath a glacier, but that's not the half of it. The man claims this ammonite has an umbilical cord. An umbilical cord. Color me skeptical, but the specimen merits study, and I wasn't about to leave such delicate work to an amateur. So I asked him to carve out the whole surrounding chunk of rock and bring it here to me. Naturally, I wanted to compare it with contemporary specimens in the vicinity, which is why I had him excavate a number of those in addition to the one he told me about. But what does the dumb fuck go and do? He loses the whole shipment. Didn't even have the good sense to mark which container had the ammonite with the umbilical cord. The cargo was supposedly lost in the area to the southwest, where toxic gases have a tendency to build up. Old Mr. Reliable claims his cargo scanner is broken, and there's no way he can recover the shipment. But you could track it down. To protect you against the fumes, I'll provide you with an oxygen mask. Just to
Ang
be safe.
inang yan. Ang tanga naman ng inutusan mong yun.
That fossil could represent an epochal discovery. While there are examples of viviparous fish, an ammonite with an umbilical cord is unheard of. And if it is indeed 200 million years old, it would also correspond with the end Triassic extinction, another one of the big five. Could the umbilical cord be connected to the beach? We must recover that cargo at all costs. It could provide a vital clue to the mechanisms underpinning the Death Stranding. We're so close, so very, very close to grasping the true nature of the phenomenon. Hurry, Sam. We cannot risk that ammonite being lost.
Saan? Puta naman.
An oxygen. If
Pwede tayo ng baril. Parang piling ko mapapalaban tayo. Speed skeleton. Saan yun? Ito ang level 2 gold. Puta na, gumawa pa ako, meron pala siyang bibigay. Okay na yan. Pangina ka.
Order assigned.
Andun sa baba. Charge muna tayo. Gago ka. Gago. Oo nga pala. Kala ko kung ano yun, gago. Kala ko tao. Inabahan ako. Bongos dito. I like it here. Let's go back.
Beginning scan. Scan bridges ID. Verifying ID. Clear. Weapons detected. All weapons will be locked until departure. Cargo verified. Thank you. Keep on keeping on.
Dito na. Opal.
Ah, you found it.
Eh ba syempre,
Let me see.
this is fucking
I
some
have to see it.
porker, man.
Oh my. It really is immaculately preserved. Uncannily even. Thanks for bringing in that lost shipment, Sam. And yeah, interestingly, it seems the surrounding strata contain traces of tar, which lines up with one of his theories. Anyway, I know you only just brought this ammonite here, but I'd like you to deliver it to a colleague of mine, an Evo Devo biologist. Lately, she's taken an interest in the tar, and I think she'd be eager to examine this particular specimen.
It's quite remarkable, and that's to your credit. To clarify, she has been studying how the tar may have influenced the development of various organisms. Accordingly, I would ask that you also recover the tar collectors deployed near her shelter and deliver them along with the ammonite. It would be too dangerous for her to attempt to retrieve them herself, which is why we must impose upon you. By aiding her research, we may yet inch closer to unraveling the secrets of the Death Stranding. We've already made so much progress with the data recovered by the network. With your continued help, I know we can accomplish even more.
Good work. Order available. Please access delivery.
Punta ng Evo Devo biologist. Pero ano yun, may pupuntahan pa ako dun. Okay.
Order assigned.
Sign yun.
I'll let you know if I need anything else.
Saan papunta yan? Ay, siguro motor yan.
Keep on keeping on. Have a pleasant journey. Safe travels.
Covered this hard.
Hindi, mag-truck na lang ako. Para sure.
Come on, let's roll.
Ay, wait lang, saan ba? Dito. Oh, BT area. Wait nga. May sapat na gamit ba ako panlaban? Okay na. Teka, babalik ako. Magkakrap ulit ako ng ano. Mukhang mapapalaban ako ng sobra dun. Ano, bala-bala mag-drive eh.
Verifying ID. Clear. Weapons detected. All weapons will be locked until departure. All clear. Welcome, Sam Porter Bridges.
Blood bug. Isa lang pala. Tapos level 3 na. Dalawa na. Dalawa na ba? Para sure. Sige, dalawa na. Okay, palag-palag to man.
Keep on keeping on. Have a pleasant journey. Safe travel. Restrictions lifted.
Uy, gago, ba't naman? Tangina mo, saan mo nang ginagawa ko sa buhay mo? Gago ka ba, tumalong ka? Kanta na muna tayo, habang ano. Dahil mamaya mapapalaban ka na, boy. La 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 la. Dami ko pinagdaanan. At hindi yun madali. Pero kahit na gano'n ay pinili ko pa rin na umiti. Ano boy? Puta. Kasi napaka-iksi na rin naman ng buhay. Ang bilis na sandali. Yeah. Yan na yung rainbow man. Put. Putek na yan. Are you motherfucking ready, Sam? Tell me you're fucking ready, Sam. Ang pupuntahan natin ay BT territory, Sam. Yan naman. Bano tayo dito man. Ang ina. Hindi ka na muna boy, bago tayo mapalaban. Umarap ka dito, kadiri ka, puta na mo, diyan ka sa gulong umihi, boy. Tingin nga, umihi ka ba talaga? Puta nga naman, diyan ka sa gulong umihi, dugyot mo. Okay, let's go. Angas dito. Ano meron dyan? Puta na, yan naman, umulan na. Oh shit. May teritoryo pala na ano doon. Hindi ako bumili ng ano. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan naman. Sinadya ko yan, man. Papatayin ko to. Yung isa kong barel, puta, nahulog. Do you think I'm fucking scared sa'yo, ha? Holy shit! Run, Sam, run, Sam. Run, dala mo, Sam. Wait. Madaya. Baliktad yung earphone ko. Wait lang. Tangin naman dalawa. Wow, dog. Tangina mo, dalawa sila. Galit na yung isa man. Come on, you motherfuckers! Asa isa? Gago, baka mag-plank tayo. Akin na yan, bro. Akin na yan. Akin na yan. Tanga na, lumubog ako. Holy shit! Holy shit! Puta na ako, nagla-laser ka dyan? Oh shit, oh shit. Ano, lalapit ka pa sa akin, boy? Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, 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 shit. Oh, I'm fucking dead, man. You're fucking dead, man! One more time, one more time! Tangina mo, patay! Kunin mo yan, man. Tangina mo. Tangina, ba't nadudulas kasama ng ginagawa mo? Come on, you motherfucker! Come on, you motherfucker! Come on! Yeah, you better run, bitch! Whew! Whew! Tangina. Wow, ang dami. Grabe, ang daming ano. Vital crystals. Meron pa dito. Dami, sarap.
Nice. There we go.
Ito yung kailangan ko eh. Asa pa isa? 5 to 5. Dalawa. Tatlo. Kasi yung dalawa. Teka, magtapon tayo ng mga empty na. Ba't parang kulang? Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. Oh, asa yung isa? Ah, apat lang pala. All four. Tapos, papunta na ako sa dito. Ay, gago, lupat na agad ako. What the fuck? Ang bilis malupat ng battery kapag ano. Speed yung gamit ko. Oh, fuck no.
Walked up worse.
Konti na lang naman, Sam.
Beginning scan. Scanning bridges ID.
Woo!
Fragile Express ID verified. Weapons detected. All weapons will be locked until departure. Cargo verified. Thank you.
Ayos.
Delivering cargo.
I'm impressed, Sam. Not many people would have even attempted this. May I have a look? Not a scratch on it, and the tar inside is safe and secure. You do not disappoint, my friend. me to the chiral. That's where my...
Grenade launcher, what the fuck is that, man?
Thank you. It goes without saying, but I am convinced that the tar is related to the BTs and the Death Stranding. After all, both it and Timefall are the defining features of the post-Stranding ecosystem. Sudden environmental changes such as these invariably lead to the extinction of organisms that fail to adapt. Those that do adapt do so by virtue of enhancers, the regions of DNA that grant successful organisms their advantages. These genetic factors are the key to evolution. But there are genes which have the opposite effect, those which disadvantage organisms. Extinction factors, as they have been called. These are the seeds of advancement and obsolescence. Such factors may lie dormant within us all, a choice waiting to be made. For every being since the advent of life itself. If so, then ancient proof may hide deep within the tar. Evidence of these genetic decisions that may aid us in navigating our current crossroads. In any event, thanks to you, I can now study the composition of the tar in greater detail. I'll make sure to share any interesting results with you later.
Well done, Sam. You furthered our research into the Death Stranding in ways you cannot imagine. Thank you again for bringing me Mama's body, as well as that ammonite. Speaking of which, my analysis of its umbilical cord is proceeding apace. I've been comparing the data against some of our restored archives. Anyway, would you mind returning to my lab? Preparations are finally complete for the chiral relay integration. If you could collect the necessary materials for the restoration work and bring them here, I would be most grateful.
Good work. New order available. Please access delivery terminal for further information.
Kailangan ko ng charger. Saan na tayo? May nga lang. Okay. So, saan na tayo? Oo nga pa nababalik ako ng sana ni Hartman. Ito tayo.
Safe travels.
Saan yun? Gago, nasa yung ping ko. What the fucking shit, man? Ah, dito.
Weapons restrictions lifted.
Nalobat na ako. Pahinga muna tayo.
Your work is greatly appreciated. Good morning, Sam. Blood collection complete. Thank you for your generosity.
Teleport tayo man. Sa Hartman Safe House. Hello, Fragile.
Been a while, Sam. It's good to see you. Remember how to do this? You need to close your eyes and picture your destination.
Liko ka muna, boy. Alis na tayo, man. Pupuntahan pa natin si Hartman, man. Mumbobong puta.
Take a look. This is what the world looked like hundreds of millions of years ago. It was just one big continent. And do you know what this is?
That's a moon!
The moon. I'll show you the real thing soon. I promise. The whole wide world will be yours to explore. You'll be able to go wherever you want. Even the moon.
Wait lang, tumatawag si Mother. Hartman's Lab. Puntahan natin siya.
Beginning scan. Scanning Bridges ID. Verifying ID. Clear. All weapons will remain locked until departure. All clear. Welcome, Sam Porter Bridges.
The fucking shit, man. Right. Kailan itong nasama?
Thank you, Sam.
In reclaiming our past, we've uncovered a number of vital clues. Don't worry, I just got back. We have time. When you met with Mama, you experienced a strong antigen-antibody reaction, correct?
There was a BT in the room.
There was, but something else may have been causing it. I've discovered large quantities of chiral matter in Mama as well. Not just the usual kind that collects on our skin or on our suits. It's in all her cells. Cells that are no longer active. The BT you encountered there was special. It was her child, but also her own soul. Somehow, her Ka and Ha failed to separate. They must have remained connected through the umbilical cord. It's the only explanation.
Is that why I didn't get a bruise where she touched me?
Yes, and there's more.
10 seconds to cardiac arrest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I modified the log times. Headquarters will have no record of what we say. Look,
Wait lang.
a message from Dead Man.
Hi,
Umbilical cord.
Huwag lang mo lang papaliwanag ng science. Mahirap paliwanag.
Sam,
Mahirap intindihan to.
I'm sorry.
Picturean ko lang, kuya.
You deserve to know what you were carrying. But I couldn't risk Die Hardman finding out about the case. So I had no choice but to keep it off the books. You've got to keep this between us. We still don't know if the director can be trusted. The umbilical cord was taken from Bridget Strand. I removed it in secret. The cord wasn't attached to a fetus. It was outside her body. She asked me to take care of it. Said it was the key to unlocking the Death Stranding. But she insisted that I never tell the director. The cord shows no sign of decomposition or necrotization. Almost as if it's frozen in time. I thought Hartman might be able to make sense of it. So I had it hidden with your cargo at Mountain Knot City.
Oh. Tagay ng Hartman to. Dati di ko gusto to noon ako nakita eh.
What do you mean?
I mean, they share a very unique property. Both contain large amounts of chiralium in their cells. In other words, the president's cord was somehow connected to the beach, and that allowed it to escape the flow of time. I've put together the bones of a theory. It's patchy, but worth sharing, I think. Life on Earth has been rocked by many extinctions, great and small, including the Big Five. And if you examine the Earth's strata, its history, if you will, you'll find chiralium deposits that can be dated to each. What if the manifestation of beaches and other associated phenomena correspond to extinction-level events?
You mean?
Yes. Our Death Stranding could just be the latest of many. The records and research you helped us to recover strongly suggest that we are in the middle of the 6th extinction.
6th extinction? Come on.
You know what this is, yes?
A frozen mammoth from 10,000 years ago.
Correct. And this?
The Iceman from 5,300 years ago.
They both have the same umbilical cords.
What the fuck?
Bullshit.
Humor me. What if the mammoth and the Iceman weren't frozen?
You're saying time stopped for them just like it did for Mama?
Unfortunately, all these specimens were lost in the Death Stranding, so there's no way to examine the genuine articles, but some fragments of data did survive. With the aid of the chiral network, we may be able to piece together something more concrete using Evodevo tech. All right, how's this? A dinosaur from 65.5 million years ago. Umbilical cord, not decomposed.
Only mammals have umbilical cords.
No. Only mammals have umbilical cords used for childbirth. This is something else. Call it a strand from the other side. I propose that mammalian umbilici are a sort of mimesis of the strand that then evolved over time. We shouldn't assume that everything about a Death Stranding is detrimental to life. Trilobites, ammonites, dinosaurs, the mammoth, the iceman, all preserved as if frozen in time, all without exception found with strands, which is to say that all may have been connected to the beach. And this, when viewed in the context of the extinction entity, EE theory, leads me to surmise that organisms with strands are in fact extinction entities. You see, Sam, EEs are connected to the beach via their strands. And it is through this connection that they somehow bring about a Death Stranding.
So you're saying Bridget was an extinction entity?
It's far too soon to say anything for certain. And since you burned her body, we may never know.
Higgs said Amelie's an EE, that she doesn't have dooms like the rest of us.
Sam, think. Assume that President Strand was an EE. Isn't it possible that her daughter is too? At the very least, Higgs may hope as much now that the president is unavailable.
So he kidnaps her for EE powers or whatever to cause a mass extinction.
Perhaps. Perhaps not. I doubt a single EE is powerful enough to cause a Death Stranding, assuming Amelie is an EE.
Well, Higgs sure thinks she's got what it takes.
Indeed. And we need to get her back as soon as possible.
1 minute remaining. Please hold on to something secure.
Ah, this one is real. Sam, go west.
How do you want me to handle Die Hardman?
With your customary reserve. Nothing good will come of him learning of our suspicions. Whatever else is going on, we still need the chiral network.
Right.
Shit.
Activating lab security measures.
I started to like this man.
3, 2, 1.
Damn! Nagugustuhan ko ang mga nangyayari ngayon dito, man. You want me to go west? I think that's it muna for today. GG.